Here are the boys eating grass and dirt. For some reason, both of them really want to eat these rocks all the time now. So that's hard to keep under control. Just worried they're going to chip a tooth, so I'm going to order some fencing to put along these rocks for them. It'll be 2 weeks. In 2 more days, it'll be 2 weeks since we got them on July 4th, and they're growing so fast. We just realized why we didn't have many pictures, baby pictures of Nuggie, because they grow so darn fast. They're on their 16th week of being on this earth. So there's Diamond and there's Rocket. Boys, can I get your attention, please? Diamond, you guys got in there. This guy likes to eat leaves, and he gathers sticks and brings them in the house and hides them. When he gets a stick, he runs real fast to hide it, and then he runs in the house to bury his nose in a puppy bed, to hide it. And it's really hard to get him out of his mouth. He gets a little bit aggressive. All right, boys, it's getting a little bit hot out here in Phoenix, Arizona. We actually live in Gilbert, but still it gets up to 115. I think it's only going to be 112 today because it's trying to rain, but there's not a cloud in the sky. Nope, no clouds today. All right, that's it. We got to go get ready for work. It's going on 11:30 or noon, and I got to hit the showers, and Dad will be home shortly. Their beef is finally in stock at the raw dog food store, so he's going to go pick that up, and they'll have some real beef today. Beef and bones and guts and everything. All right, boys, let's go in. All dogs in. All dogs in. Treat, treat. All dogs in. Come on. Treat, treat. They don't mind as well as they used to, so oh, here we go. Come on. Oh, that's good. Come on, all dogs in. You have to bring a souvenir. Diamond always brings a souvenir. All dogs in. Come on. All dogs in. Okay, here we go.